In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize all column in Google Sheets. So as you can see in here, after successfully accessing your Google Spreadsheets, simply select the column that you would like to resize. What we're going to do is we're going to adjust the size of multiple columns all at once without having to do it manually to achieve uniformity for the sizes of each column. So to do that, simply highlight or select the columns that you would like to adjust. So let's say, for example, we're going to adjust column A to column E. There are two ways on how to do this. So the first thing that we're going to do after selecting is in here, simply adjust any column that you selected, and this will automatically adjust all column that you have selected. As you can see, I only adjusted A, but since we have selected A to E, all columns from A to E are now the same size as column A. If you want to do this in pixel specific, after selecting all columns that you would like to adjust, simply right click on your cursor, and in here you can see on the options, resize columns A to E. Simply click this and you can adjust in here the size of the column in pixel unit. Let's say 100. Then click OK, and now we have successfully resized all columns. And that's about it. That's how to resize all columns in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.